Discover the magic of Ireland with these top must-visit spots. Those places are Giant's Causeway. Marvel at this natural wonder with its unique hexagonal columns formed by volcanic activity. Kilkenny Castle. Step back in time at this stunning medieval castle with its rich history and picturesque grounds. Dark Hedges. Walk through this magical, tree-canopied avenue perfect for fairy tale lovers and photographers. Guinness Lake. Named for its dark color resembling a pint of Guinness, this lake is a breathtaking sight. Belfast City Tour. Explore Northern Ireland's vibrant capital with its rich history, from the Titanic Museum to bustling streets. Cliffs of Moher. Stand in awe of these towering cliffs, offering some of Ireland's most iconic and breathtaking views. Bray Beach. Enjoy a leisurely stroll along this scenic beach and its picturesque promenade. Cork County. Discover the vibrant culture and scenic beauty of Cork with its lively markets and historic sites. Ireland is full of incredible places waiting to be explored.